Ninja Mega Kitchen System, BL770, sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System, a powerhouse for all your kitchen needs with 1,500 watts of power. Effortlessly crush ice into snow with the 72 Oz. Total crushing pitcher, perfect for smoothies and frozen drinks. The 8-cup food processor bowl ensures even chopping and can make 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. Experience 4 versatile functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, all designed to enhance your drink making. Take your creations on the go with two 16 Oz Nutri Ninja Cups, complete with convenient to-go lids. Enjoy precision with various blades, stacked, dough, chopping, and Nutri Ninja blades for any recipe. Mix dough swiftly with the powerful mixer, capable of preparing 2 pounds of dough in seconds. Get inspired with a 31 recipe guide, featuring delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. Easy to clean, the system's parts are dishwasher safe and BPA-free, ensuring hassle-free maintenance. Rated 4.7 stars. Order today for $99.99.